Shangrongchala University of Science and Technology Meghalaya ni Shaktharmung bai Klaijaka kaisa kokthom banda manjaka USTM ni Chancellor Mabul Haq no khobai te kubana dongrok Ashali Pandao koksanani thanga USTM ni Chancellor Mabul Haq Shaka Tripura University de MBB University ni student rok ni bagai talbidal opportunity Tuboiwi Phaikha hane graduation te masters complete angmani yaklo phano te kaham RwngSwrwngmung naharna ni bagai shebuzaka hane A University of Free Nusrungi Manai Hane, Arwa Engineer Stroke Porewi Manai, Abni Logiono, Graduation by Mani Yagulo, Civil Service Nimpaga Preparation Rock, Nahari Manai Hane, Abno Karibu Debudal with the course to Buzaka Hane, Student Rock Admission Onani Musung Zaka Hanke, Online Tuibo, Angimana Hane, Abu Kaham Shep to Phaikha Truprani Student Rock Nimpaga, USTM Abu Haihani no Shaka, USTM ni Chancellor Mabul Haq.
Collaboration with the University of California to make village as the ideal village. We have adopted 5 to 10 villages which we are trying to make them the ideal villages of those areas. The advantage in that is those rural resources, how they can be converted into business. Some of our startup, we have our tea value addition and they are getting different amount of the sale and also in food technology. So what we have identified that education should not remain only to the certificate but also it should have the application oriented education. With this, we also have 2 unique features. One is to have the inclusive growth. We have I can, I will do academy. That means we are having those physically Divyanjan, train them and make them employable. Second is those who clear NET, their total fees is returned. Those who clear NET in second attempt, their half fees is returned. And this is one of the very good achievement that this time nearly 100 students have cleared NET. Every year this is increasing. That means they are also made qualified for teaching and other. You will be happy to know that this time nearly 132 our B.Ed students they have cleared the exams of Meghalaya and therefore they are qualified for any teaching assignment. So looking into this, all these things, our university has also been selected by number of industries including Chini, then NESCAP, and last time we organized the job fair and more than 400 students they got the job. So university is also creating opportunity for the students to excel as well as to go for higher studies in central universities, IITs, state universities, and also those who cannot carry out higher education, they get the job.
Raza Khorang ni simi omit ni kokthum Chini Khorang.